Hi class, we're going to be working on Caldwell and Club here. Caldwell acquired 65% of Club for $2,600,000, so they have control, but they don't own all of the subsidiaries. That means some portion of the subsidiary will be backed out and booked into a credit account called non-controlling interest. So we're going to be working with that here. When Caldwell acquired Club had building and equipment with 10-year lives, and the book value of that building and equipment was $830,000 and the fair value was $950,000. So part of the transaction would be to take that fair value over excess and amortize it or depreciate it over that 10 years. It tells us for Club, all the other assets and liabilities, the book value and fair value was the same. Okay, great. So what did they want? They want to know what was the amount of the non-controlling interest as of the date of acquisition. So let's set that up. We know, let's pull this down here. So this is the full subsidiary, and then this is the parent, and this is NCI. Okay, so we know that $2,600,000 goes here, and so we use this number to get the implied fair value of the whole, and therefore the implied fair value of the non-controlling interest on the date of acquisition. So we do this and divide it by the 0.65, and so then now you can take the difference. So the beginning NCI on the date of acquisition will be that $1,400,000. So that's what that is, the initial value. How will that change when these other things happen? So net income will make the NCI go up. Their portion, their 35% of the profits generated from that subsidiary are going to increase the NCI. Dividends are going to decrease it. They're 35% of any dividends that the subsidiary declares and paid, not the parent. The subsidiary declares and paid will decrease in NCI. And then any excess fair value over book value, amortization, or depreciation will decrease the non-controlling interest because, of course, it decreases the net income of the subsidiary. All right, so we're ready for the next.